Hi, greetings, members of Lincoln Way West girls track team. I just wanted to stop by today, say hello, wish you well. Obviously, this is a very challenging situation. The IHSA is meeting tomorrow to discuss what's going to happen, but chances are we aren't going to see each other for a while. And those of you doing cross country, we don't know what's going to happen this summer. So really, all I wanted to do was say how much I appreciate you guys, how much I miss you guys. For the month and a half, I got to officially coach you, and the months of conditioning leading up to that, I wouldn't trade it for anything. You guys were off to a great start this year, and I'm really sorry that it's working out this way. But we're doing what I think we're doing what's best, staying home, staying safe, staying healthy. Hopefully, I hope you and your families are all doing really well, and we will get through this. I think if we're talking about big picture lessons, things like this, I think, or at least I hope that a lot of you kind of have the determination and dedication to really push yourself on your own, because that's what you've had to do for the last month. I don't want you to think that it's all been in vain. I think running in and of itself is its own reward. I enjoy the heck out of it and have been doing so for almost 30 years at this point. And hopefully you've found some meaning in your running. Hopefully it's helped your days go by. It's helped you connect with people just via social media and things like that, or Strava and things like that. So my hope is that you come through this with an appreciation of yourself and of running, and I'll email some kind of instructions or tips for what you can do in the meantime. Basically, if you want me to continue sending you workouts and things like that, I can keep doing that. I've got them scheduled for the rest of the track season, so let me know. But most of all, I just want to say you guys are awesome, and I look forward to coaching you again soon. So stay safe, stay healthy, wish your families the best, and we'll see you again hopefully in a month and a half or so. And I'll start sending emails about cross country sometime soon as well. So have a great rest of your week. I'll talk to you again soon. Bye.